Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Kuluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Marketing Management. We are today with video number 9, module number 1, and topic what we were discussing in previous class was scope of marketing research. Few points we have covered in previous class. Today we shall see again the remaining points of scope of marketing research. Marketing research has a very wide areas of application. It is not restricted. This market research has various points as a scope of marketing research. In that few points we have studied already in previous class. Today we shall see some 7 points of scope of marketing research. In that, number 1 determines customer behavior. It is essential for every organization or a company to know how customer behaves in the market with concern to their product or related to buying of new products of the same range or the competitor's product and etc. etc. So, to know and understand these behavioral aspects of a customer, marketing research is very much essential. When we conduct a marketing research, we can have an idea about the customer's behavior, and based upon those ideas or knowledge, we can prepare the plan for marketing of our products or our product design, pricing, etc. etc. To fix all these things, we need to understand the way customer behaves in the market. Then second point of scope of marketing research is provide valuable data. As we know, to prepare any decision or to make any decision, a base of data is essential for marketing managers or the decision makers in the organization or the company. So, to make these decisions, the foremost important thing is information, and the information required to make decisions is to be taken here, and this information is provided by marketing research. Whatever data required related to the product, related to the competitors, related to the say existing products, new trends, new policies, etc. etc. Whatsoever data is essential for making decision in related to marketing, the data is provided by marketing research. And the data provided by marketing research will help the organization to make decisions. That is what marketing research does by providing valuable data. Third point is helps in sales forecasting. Whenever a company is producing any product, it need to plan in every step. Number 1, how much we need to produce. Number 2, how much raw materials are there, how much raw materials need to be purchased. What is the semi-finished goods total amount, how much finished goods stock is there, and based upon that the next further production plannings are to be made. So all these plannings can be done with the help of sales forecasting and demand forecasting. And to do this sales forecasting and demand forecasting, marketing research provides a basic platform or information related to which the sales forecasting and demand forecasting can be done. So this is the third point of scope of marketing research. Fourth point of scope of marketing research is lowers business risk. Here In business, at every moment there is a risk. For each step or for each move in the business, there is a risk involved. And to mitigate or to reduce that risk, a proper decision is to be taken. The proper decision related to customers, proper decision related to the sales, proper discussion related to demand forecasting, proper decision related to product planning, production, and other things. And for all this decisions, market research provides data, market research conducts customer behavior study, market research conducts demand forecasting, market research conducts sales forecasting. And all this forecasting and other essential data will help the decision makers to reduce the risk and to mitigate the losses. So, this is the fourth point of scope of marketing research. Fifth point of scope of marketing research is evaluate market performance. How market is performing now? Which trend is going on? Which stage of business cycle is going on? Whether it is a peak, whether it is a recession, whether it is a throughout, or whether it is a say recovery stage. So, at which stage the business is going on, or say how market is performing. So, all these information related to market is given by the marketing research. So, to evaluate the market performance, we need to know, because at what time we need to introduce a new product, at what time we are supposed to withdraw, at what time we are supposed to make the changes in the product. All this information or all these decisions are to be taken, and to take all this market performance evaluation decisions or to do market research performance evaluation, marketing research will help in conducting the evaluation and making decisions in the upcoming days. The next point of scope of marketing research is facilitates introduction of new products. Whenever we are introducing a new product, we should understand what scope this product is having in upcoming days. Who are all competitors in the market? What is the core competency of that competitor product? Prices of the competitor products. And most important thing is the demand for that product in upcoming days. All these things we should understand, study, and a proper plan need to be prepared before introducing a new product. And while introducing a new product, all these decisions or informations need to be considered. And this information or the base for introduction of new product is provided by marketing research. Or else, if we directly introduce a new product, we may end up with losses, or our product may not be accepted by the customers in the market. So, to introduce a new product in the market, we need to make a separate and thorough study, and that study can be done with the help of marketing research. Then last point of scope of marketing research is choose best promotion techniques. Whenever we are using any promotional techniques, it may be advertisement, it may be packing, designing, etc., etc., we are supposed to understand what is the trend of the market now, what are the competitors' moves in the market, what is the new technology or technique in the market. All these studies we are supposed to make, and based upon those studies we can choose the best promotion techniques. Nowadays, promotion of any product plays a very important role in acceptance or rejecting of the product in the market. So, to establish or to push our product in a perfect way, we should choose the best promotion techniques for our products, and it can be done with the help of marketing research. So marketing research has very wide area of application and scope. Therefore, we shall stop here with these points. If you have any doubts, questions, queries, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. Thank you. Good day.